and welcome to our Tangled vocal warm-ups. If you're new here, be sure to click that little red subscription button to be notified each and every time we post a video, and give this video a huge thumbs up, especially if you like free sheet music. Check our description box. We will be leaving links to free sheet music from Tangled, and if you were not here last week, we did Encanto, and I'll put the link to that video with additional free sheet music down below in the description box. But now, let's get to singing. Humming and on an ooh vowel, we will sing ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little bit faster. The vowels E and Ah, we will sing E-ah, E-ah, E-ah. 1 and 2, deep breath, 3, 4. E-ah, E-ah, E-ah. This next exercise is for songs in the movie that are a little bit faster. So on the ah vowel, we will sing. So our first scales are a little bit slower. Ah, ah. Then they go faster. Ah. And we will speed this up as we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah. step, we've got a 5-note scale on zing, Z-I-N-G. Zing, 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 zing. 2, 3, and 4. Zing, 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 zing. So this next exercise is all about helping you hold out longer notes. So on an ooh vowel, you're going to sing each of these notes for 4 counts. It will sound like this. And you'll hear the piano play underneath you. All together it will sound like this. Catch a breath in the middle of this run. It is actually called a catch breath. Put yours in wherever you need it. We're going to do 2 or 3 of these and we will speed up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. One more time, as fast as we can. 1, 2, 3, 4. On a nice tall ah vowel, let us sing ah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one here. And last but not least, on a hum. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. Thank you guys so much for joining us today for these vocal warm-ups. Make sure once again to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and happy singing. Bye!